Hello, Miss. Today I'm going to tell you a story about Doraemon again. It's called Super Baby Panic. So, after the robber had deceived Nobi's mom, they went in Nobi's house, and while in Nobi's house, they saw Nobi and Doraemon got knocked out by Sammy, but they thought it was the rough housing that made them sleep, and that was not true. And they finally found something to steal, but there's a baby whose name is Sammy is bothering the burglar. So the burglar tried to intimidate the baby, but the baby liked him. And while the other burglar is stealing, the big burglar is playing with the baby, but the baby threw the burglar out of the window, and the window broke, which made a glaring sound. And shortly after that, Nobi and Doraemon was awoken from the exhausting punches and kicks. They wanted to save Sammy, but Sammy didn't want to be saved. But he wanted to go with the burglars because he liked to play with them. But they already went on their truck and drive home. But Sammy had eaten the super duper extra strength candy before all of that. And with the power of the candy, Sammy can run over 100 miles an hour. And Sammy got into the back of the burglar's trunk. And before Sammy opened the roof of the car, there were Doraemon and Nobi. But Sammy didn't feel safe with them and felt safe with the burglars instead. And he destroyed the car one by one. And the burglars are very frustrated because it was their only car to steal. And then Doraemon tried to dress like his mom, but it failed inevitably. And then Nobi had an idea. Because Sammy spit his super strength candy, he ate that and made him super strength for a little bit for a while. And it worked. The burglar's car got thrown out by Nobi, and Sammy was saved from the burglars. And Sammy's mom thanked them as they watched Sammy's mom go into a car and going home to their uncle's house. But because Sammy had super strength, the house was completely obliterated. So Nobi's mom is furious and ready to punch them. So I think that's all, Miss. So goodbye.